has announced V.D. Satishan as the new Chief Minister of Keralam, bringing an end to days of intense political suspense following the assembly election results. The decision comes after nearly 10 days of internal consultations, keeping the Keralam CM race closely watched across the state. After days of speculation following the assembly election results, senior Congress leaders Ajay Mekkan and Deepa Das Munshi held a press conference at 12 p.m. where the formal announcement was made. The Congress Legislature Party meeting is scheduled at the KPCC headquarters in Thiruvananthapuram, where newly elected MLAs will formally elect their legislative leader. The announcement, according to party sources, is expected to determine the next Chief Minister of Keralam, making a crucial step in government formation. Key contenders in the race included K.C. Venugopal, V.D. Satishan and Ramesh Chennithala, whose names were featured prominently in discussions at both state and national levels. Sources indicate that deliberations within the Congress High Command, including consultations involving leaders brought to Delhi earlier, have played a major role in shaping the final decision. The Congress-led UDF secured a decisive victory in the election, winning 102 out of 140 seats, marking a strong return to power after a decade. The Left Democratic Front managed to secure 35 seats, reflecting a significant shift in voter mandate. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.